As you can see here, I have a 3D printer working. The question is, how is it possible on a yacht? And the answer is following. First, there are solar panels. As you can see, two solar panels, each 100 watts. The solar panels supply electricity which goes to the accumulator or the battery. And right now in the battery there are, as you can see, 13.5 volts. Battery number one is working, as you can see here. Battery number two is for the motor. It's a reserve for the motor. So then this electricity goes through this wire to this converter. This converter converts 12 volts to 120 volts. It's a 500 watt converter. It's around $30 to $50, this thing. And as you can see, it has a pure sine wave power inverter. It's called pure sine wave. This is kind of something that you want. So this can supply up to 500 watts of load. And then from here, this is the power plug, goes into the printer here. And that is how you can have a 3D printer working on a boat. In addition, you can have like hooks here, which hold the printer while the boat is moving. And the print is over now. It took 4 minutes 18 seconds to 4 hours 18 minutes to print this funnel, which I will use for my project with robotic kind of a boat. That's all.